Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Chevrolet TrailBlazer LT in Blue Glow Metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind zone alert, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.2-liter turbocharged engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 906088.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.